The Mellif Cordless air duster and blower delivers surprisingly strong airflow thanks to its high-speed brushless motor, making it far more effective than disposable cans for cleaning electronics and tight spaces. Its 3-level speed control lets you dial in gentle bursts for keyboards or full power for heavier dust, so it feels versatile rather than like a one-task gadget. Because it runs on widely available DeWalt 20-volt and Mellif 20-volt batteries, it integrates smoothly into an existing tool ecosystem and avoids the waste of built-in packs. The built-in light is genuinely useful when you are blowing out dark corners of a computer case, car interior, or window track where you normally cannot see what you are doing. Despite its strong output, the tool is compact and light in weight without the battery attached, so it is easy to carry around the house or toss into a camping or travel kit. Beyond dusting, it doubles as a handy inflator and deflator for air mattresses and other inflatables, which gives it real value for camping, pool days, and guest room setups.